Hello, wanted to make a little video on these word problems in lesson unit 1.5. They can be a little tricky. So it says a flower bed is in the shape of a rectangle. So I'm just going to draw a rectangle on my page. I'll show you in a moment. It measures 24 feet long, so the two longer sides are each 24 feet. And the width, the short sides are 9 feet each. Trey wants to use mulch to cover the flower bed. The mulch is sold by the square yard. Use the facts to find the area of the flower bed in square yards. So we could do this two ways. We could find the area first and then switch it over to square yards. So I'm going to do area equals length times width. So that's going to be 24 times 9 equals 27 or 18, 316, and that's going to be feet times feet. So this is feet squared, or square feet. So then we have to exchange 316 over 1 feet times feet into yards. And I am going to use the equivalent of 3 feet equals 1 yard. So that means we could write it as 3 feet over 1 yard, or we could write it as 1 yard over 3 feet. We're going to write it as 1 yard over 3 feet, this one, because we need the feet on bottom for it to cancel. So I'm going to write 1 yard over 3 feet. Now, when I go to cancel this, I can cancel out one of those feet, but I need to cancel out 2 because I had square feet. So I have to multiply by this unit exchange twice so that I can cancel out feet and feet. And then I will have yards times yards, which is square yards. So I will then have 316 times 1 yards times yards over 1 times 3 is 9. And then I'm going to have to divide 316 divided by 9. And we will do that in Desmos. So, and actually it was 216 because I multiplied in my head. So it's really 216. You're probably wondering where I got that from. 216 divided by 9. And even I make mistakes. So that is 24 square yards. I will again show you my paper so you can see my correction there. So I corrected that. It's 216. So it's 24 square yards. So let's go back to our balance problem here. And we're going to put in 24 and check that. And we are correct. So I hope this little video helped